All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in, as I always really appreciate it. We've got an unboxing today, that's why we're here, but also we've got a giveaway. So we're going to give out the giveaway information. We'll go over everything, what you can do to enter. And we'll also do an unboxing, because of course this is an unboxing channel, and it is a watch, because this is primarily a watch channel. So, kick back, relax, grab your drink. We'll get into it, okay? I don't have my breakfast monster like I usually do. I have a monster every morning. I do have coffee in my wife's Mother of Dragons Game of Thrones cup, so I am not the Mother of Dragons, but I will have to. The cup will have to do. So, okay, let's get right on into it. Okay, let's move everything out of the way, and I want to say at the top of the video, thank you guys so much to everyone. I mean, each and every one of you who hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're going to have a bigger giveaway. I cannot wait. But first, let us discuss the current giveaway. So, we reached 500 subscribers. I've had a giveaway on the table. We're going to give away an automatic watch and a watch winder, okay? So, I do already have a Wolf watch winder. And I have the automatic watch on order. It'll be here shortly. And I think I'm going to disclose it to you guys and announce what it's going to be on the day that we announced it, on the day that we announced the winner, basically. So I do have the Wolf watch winder here. I'm going to be sending this out to one of you guys. This is it here. It will keep your watch wound. As you can see, it's blinking here. But it will keep your watch wound. And, when you're not wearing it, it'll keep it current. You just essentially put it on here, it'll turn. I'm assuming everyone who's watching this knows what a watch winder is, but to kind of new watch guys, you might not know. This just keeps your watch charged and ready to go for when you're ready to wear it. So this exact Wolf watch winder will be going out to someone. Also, like I said, I have an automatic watch that I ordered to send out. That will be going out to someone as well. Not going to really give away what that will be. That will be disclosed on the day that we announce the winner here. So now let's get into what everyone wants to know, how you can enter. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? That's step one. Step one is subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? Hit like on this video, of course. You can, do that as well. But hit the subscribe button to this YouTube channel, okay? Give us a follow on Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and put... I'm going to essentially put my Instagram link in the comment section below. I have an Unbox and Chill Instagram. I never plug it. I never tell you guys to follow it or anything. So I'm going to make this a part of it. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. Okay? And lastly, and this is part of the official... in terms of launching an official giveaway on YouTube. See, when I first set out to do this, honestly, guys, I thought that I could just put names in a hat and just kind of pull them out of a hat. That's kind of what took me 2 weeks to kind of upload this video. I announced that I hit 500 subscribers, I believe, 2 weeks ago. And then, we had the holidays. Some other things came up, but I was researching because apparently there's very specific rules to how you can do a giveaway on YouTube. You can't just draw a name out of a hat. You have to, has to kind of be done in an official way. And you have to set up a site and everything like that. So this is how I did it here. I have a website. The link will be in the description of this video and every video after this one until we announce the winner. Where essentially, this is the site here. You've got the official Unbox and Chill 500 subscriber giveaway. You just put in your email address. For some reason on my phone, this picture doesn't load, but this is basically just a picture of one of my favorite pieces. And also today's wristwatch check, my Brian Van Way custom Vostok Amphibia. Beautiful piece, white on white. Very nice. But it loads fully. Oh, there we go. It loads fully on the website and perhaps on an iPhone. I don't know why it only loads the middle here, but essentially just put in your email address, you hit submit. So those three things, quite simple. Just you can enter officially here, okay? And this will collect the information. Just enter your email there. That's it. I'm not going to mail you anything. Don't worry about that. I'm not going to email you. But essentially, that's how I'll contact you. So put your email in there. Follow us on YouTube. And also follow us on Instagram. That's it. Those three things. That's all you have to do. So you do that. And like I said, it actually, I think it tells you on here. Maybe it does. But essentially it says winner will be announced on New Year's Day. So 1/1/21. So 1/1/21, we're going to announce the winner. Some lucky person is going to get, like I said, this Wolf Watch Winder and also an automatic watch. So do me a favor, hit like on this video. Hit like on, pretty much all the videos that come out. Be the cool guy. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. Hang out with us, okay? Let's get into our unboxing for this video. So let's move this in here. Well, let's move this out of the way, actually. We're done with that. We'll move that out of the way. And let's see here. I have, we've unboxed this brand on the channel before, just to let you guys know, just to kind of set it up a little bit. This is from WatchGang.com, okay? This is from their watch wheel. This is their cheapest offerings. This is just getting your foot in the door here. And you can pick this up for about $50 and change, okay? But I honestly liked the way it looked. I thought for $50 and change, it looked pretty good. But let's check it out, okay? And we will enter with Ulysses Grand. Now, if you remember, we actually did unbox a Ulysses Grand. It was a Hulk. It was green on green, green dial, green bezel. But it was a nice piece, very well made for the price point. And that's kind of what I've noticed with Ulysses Grand is that they actually feel very sturdy and feel pretty good, honestly, for what they cost. And in terms of the box, I will say that this box is actually pretty nice for the price point, I mean. Normally you get like the kind of the paper box that you just take the top off of. This one is nice, and it is like felt lined and everything, and it does have this, it is spring loaded. So I think for the price point, the box is a little bit nicer. I have seen some of the black tier, some of the middle tier $99 watches come in a box similar to this one. I believe actually this is the same box manufacturer that makes the boxes for the Pure Dial watch that I have as well. So, no, like I said, for $50, box exceeds expectations, okay? So let's get into it here. So this is the Marlin, and if you'll take a look at the Marlin, the reason why I picked it up, because I thought it had an interesting look in terms of it punching above its weight class, above its price class here. So you do not, obviously you do not have a, this does not rotate here. This tachometer does not rotate. But looking at the face of it, I thought that it looked a lot like a ball watch. Just in terms of the indices, that sort of thing, in terms of the hands. There's a ball watch that looks almost exactly like this, and obviously it costs quite a bit more money. As ball does make a very nice piece. So I picked this up. I just kind of wanted to see what it looked like here. You know, what you can get in terms of that look for a lot cheaper price here. So we'll take a look at the official specs here. But as you can see, you've got that kind of gray dial there. Okay, I think they say it's white, but it looks a little gray to me. You can see that the bezel is black, does not rotate here. This does have, I believe I saw it was 330 meters of water resistance, which is a lot for this watch. It also does not have a screw down crown, so that's interesting that it does have 330 meters of water resistance with no screw down crown at all. Let's see here. In terms of the case back, you can see you've got their logo there. You've got the UG for Ulysses Grand. And as far as the buckle, let's see here. So we've got this lift buckle, and you've got the push buttons here. Okay, and then that's just kind of cheap pressed. But overall, I think this part is cheap, but this part, the actual clasp feels really nice, feels really sturdy here. And as you can see, you've got their logo there, sort of a shield. So overall, not a terrible piece for $50. I will say it does feel pretty heavy and pretty well made. And you know, it's got the it's got the indices that kind of look like they might be tritium. Obviously they're not, you know, but they do kind of look like tritium tubes. So it's not a bad overall looking piece. You've got the polish down the middle and the brushed. I mean, all this is kind of standard fare, but for $50, I think it looks very nice. If you told me that it cost more, I'd probably believe you. So let's take off our custom Brian Van Way Vostok Amphibia, and let's try this on the wrist here. Give me 1 second. Let's just slip. Oh, I just hit the camera. I hope that wasn't too loud for you guys. I hope that was okay. Okay. Yeah, I hope that was okay. I do apologize. Okay, in terms of looking at everything here, we've got that on the wrist. And we're going to play our game here. Guess the case size. What case size did you think this was? So there it is there. Very nice. I mean, it's very stylish, very tasteful, but very understated. It's a cheaper watch. It's very tasteful. So I think it looks very good. But what do you think the case size is on this watch? Keep in mind my wrists are roughly 8¼ inch. So get your guess in now. And then put that in the comment section below. Let me know what your guess is. I, of course, as always, have it pulled up. Give me 1 second here. And here it is in a blue. So this is the same watch in a navy blue, which honestly looks pretty striking as well. And this is the Marlin. Now, of course, they've got a $399 to $419 MSRP that nobody's going to pay. And as you can see, let's see, it is a mineral crystal. As you can see there, that's the glass is mineral crystal. You've got 42, let me see if I can get that to focus here. Can you focus for me? 42 millimeters in terms of the case size. Okay. I hope you guessed correctly. And I mean, that's mostly all that's important here. 100 meters water resistance. I think that's 300. It's 100 meter water resistance and 330 feet. So that's 330 feet, not meters here. So, and then you do have a Japanese quartz Miyota movement. So, like I said, it's not not like one of those kind of no-name Chinese quartz movements. So, overall, like I said, not a bad piece for $50. I honestly don't think you're doing too bad. This would be nice in anyone's collection here. So, let me know what you think. Would you wear this particular watch? Like I said, I think it's nice. I think it punches above its weight class. I think it looks a little more expensive than it actually is. And like I said, I really want to know what you think. Do me a favor in the comment section below. Let me know, would you wear this piece? What did you think? What did you guess the case size was? Shout out to everybody who's in the notification squad who watches videos as soon as they get notified. Thank you, or as soon as they get notified that they came out. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. I'm gonna try to upload every other day this month. We'll see here as we kind of get towards the giveaway here. So be on the lookout for those videos. Like I said, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that we can help grow the channel, share it with more people, and quickly get to that 1K subscribers, because just wait till you see what I give away at 1K. So I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I do appreciate it. This has been Unbox and Chill. Make sure you go down to the comment section below where I will have a link to our Instagram page. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. In terms of entering, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Instagram and go to my page and put in your entry by entering your email address. So those 3 things, you are entered into the contest. Thank you so much. We will announce on the 1st, on New Year's Day. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I do appreciate it. This is Unbox and Chill, signing out.